Yogesh, Rangasamy, Anusha, Abhinaya, to name a few. Thank you, Mr. Bal Singh, CRM, Murugeshan, RM, Vasagi, Meenakshi, Kanimuthu, Lakshmi and family, Rangasamy, Kumar and family for making it to the function. I was moved by the visit of 3 micro-in-charges to RO yesterday, Nitish, Manigandan and Gauri Shankar from Madurai region, and I take this opportunity to express my thanks to them. My promotion as DGM took me to Hyderabad, and I was very upset since I had to move further away from my hometown. But there I met some very loving people, and it was a totally different experience. Though it was a period of the organizational restructuring, and Hyderabad RO being one of the pilot ROs, we sailed through the turmoil as a team, with a very efficient team at RO taking control of the situation. The accounts, technical and claims hub worked in unison that my stress levels were at a minimum. With over 100 employees in the RO and at least 70% being ladies, it was a very emotional moment for all of us when I had to say goodbye to them. Though I spent only 1 year there, the love and affection showered by you will always remain in my heart. Thank you, Shanti Iyer, who has come all the way from Bhopal, Manjula, Karuna, Vijay Kumar, Sai Babu, Ranganayakama, Gayatri, and Srinivas, my officer who was in the DGM secretary. Thank you very much for coming. Back to Ernakulam RO after 5.5 years outside the region, with mixed feelings of ending my career in the same RO premises where I reported in May 1990. The last 2 years of my career in the biggest retail region of our company, under the guidance and support of Madam Sridevi and Madam Jayashree, our overseeing GMs, was indeed rewarding. I cannot thank enough for the unstinted support of our respected CMD Madam towards Ernakulam region. Asked and it was granted. That was the kind of support that I received from Madam. Jayashree Madam was always there for us for the approval of any major proposal that was sent to HU. Thank you, Madam, for all the support and guidance. Ernakulam region is on the threshold of 2,000 crores today. We owe it to one person, that is Dr. C.J. Philip, who took over the reins of the region in 2011, when Ernakulam region was a small region of less than 200 crores. We are greatly indebted to you, sir, for your great contribution to New India. His successor, John Phillips, sir, had led the region to 1,000 crores, and then Madam Brida took it to 1,500 crores. Thank you, sir and Madam, for your relentless service to the company. My regional managers at RO, Pradeep Matthew, Ajul Raj, Mohan, Krishna Prakash, Jeeja, Veer Raghavan, and Shyama Sundari, who have been my pillars of strength, without whose support I could not have led such a big region. My thanks goes out to all the Auto Hub and business office in charges and the business associates, whom I am confident will continue the good work in the days to come. Without speedy claim settlement, business cannot grow, and I thank all the hub in charges and their teams for the excellent work. Thank you, BPP managers, operations executives, for the support extended to our customers. My gratitude to all the loyal agents of New India, who are the backbone of our region. My thanks also goes to the brokers who have supported us not only in Ernakulam but also in Madurai and Hyderabad. I also thank all the TPAs for their service to our customers. My RO team, who are a class apart, I have no words to express my feelings for them. If I were to mention the names, it would be a long list, since each and every one of you are in that list. Your support to the entire region is invaluable, and hats off for the wonderful job that you're doing. I'd be failing in my duty if I do not thank Girish Radhakrishnan sir, Ramkumar sir, and G. Sadish, who stood by me and helped me in my hour of need. Thank you very much, sir. All my achievements throughout my career I dedicate to my husband and daughter, whose great support enabled me the person that I am. In fact, he was more ambitious for me than I myself was. Thank you, Sadish and Gayatri, for being with me in encouraging my journey with New India. I thank my family members on both sides who have been proud of all my achievements and supporting me all along. As I pass the baton to my successor, Mr. Ajul Raj, who took over charge as the regional in charge yesterday evening, I am confident that the region will attain greater heights under his leadership. He has headed the Vadagara branch and Calicut DO2 in this region, Ipswich branch in the UK, and headed a corporate DO under MRO3 before becoming RM and coming back to Ernakulam. I'm sure his vast experience in both retail and corporate business will enable him to lead Ernakulam RO successfully. I wish you, Ajul, all the very best days in the days ahead as CRM, DGM, and the regional in charge of this region. As New India Assurance crosses the milestone of 50,000 crores premium, I would be one among the new Indians swelling with pride at the achievement of a great company. A big responsibility lies on each one of you who are now in service to work in the best interest of the company and as per the corporate goals. Wishing you all the very best in life, and thank you so much, dear team, for giving me such a grand farewell, which is beyond my imagination. You have all put in so much of effort and time in spite of your hectic work schedule to make my birthday and the farewell function a memorable one for me. How can I ever forget this? Thank you so much, my dear team. Once again, I thank each and every one of you who have come here to felicitate me. We have traveled from far off places. Thank you so much.